Good afternoon. Welcome to your first day of Tupelo Middle School Distance Learning. This is Algebra Unit 1, Day 1. We're going to graph and we're going to tell the function type. So on the first one, we're going to graph y equal -1/2 x plus 1. We're going to make a t-table. So to make your t-table, we're going to make x and y, and we're going to substitute into x to get our y value. You're going to see that we have a denominator of 2, so multiples of 2 would be the easiest thing to use. So I'm going to use -2, 0, +2. When I use -2, I do -1/2 times -2 plus 1. -1/2 times -2 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. I use 0, exact same thing. -1/2 times 0 plus 1 would be 0 plus 1, which is 1. And last, -1/2 times 2 plus 1 will be -1 plus 1, which is 0. And now we're going to go to the graph. -2, 2. We're going to graph 0, 1, 2, 0. And then we're going to connect straight line through them. Did not do a very good job with drawing a straight line. But that's the graph, and this is a straight line, so it is linear. If you have the variable to the first power, it's always going to be linear. B, we're going to make a t-chart again. So my t-chart is going to be x, y, and I have a denominator of 4, so multiples of 4 would be the easiest thing to use. You don't have to, but it just makes it easier. I already noticed that that is x to the first power, which tells me it should be linear. Linear just means it makes a straight line. So I'm going to do 1/4 times -4 plus 2. -1 plus 2 will give me 1. 1/4 times 0 plus 2. You can see I'm just substituting -4, 0, 4, which results in 2. Then I have 1/4 times 4 plus 2, which is going to give me 3. And then I come to my graph. So I'm going to graph -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Remember, you go right and left first for your x and then your y. And then we're simply going to draw a straight line, connecting my points. And yes, it is linear.